For any drummers out there watching, I know this is sad, but I used to be pretty good at this. Put the cymbal on a light stand. Wow. Believe it or not, I used to be halfway decent at this. All right, so that is what this episode is about, making a pair of drumsticks. A while ago, and I apologize, Kevin, that it took so long, a friend of mine on Facebook reached out to me, a guy I actually knew from high school, we band together, reached out to me and wanted to know if I would make a pair of Hickory drumsticks. Wasn't sure I could do it at first. Wasn't sure I could do something that small, because as I'm sure I'd mentioned on at least one other occasion, of all the tools in my shop, my lathe is unfortunately one of the least used, or the least used. So for any wood turners out there watching, if as you're watching you see something you want to offer me some advice, feel free. Anyway, it worked out. I started out practicing on some ash. That's what these are about. Just to see again if I could turn something that small. I do have a little spindle stabilizer that you'll see in the video I use that helped me out. But after I kind of got into the groove, I put some hickory in. Yeah, turned out okay. So I'm gonna make these sticks. Now I use some real sticks I have, these, as kind of an example. Could have made something like this with no, I guess, tip on it, but I wanted to be a little better than that. So use these as a model. Didn't quite make them as small, and just put a round tip on it. Now, interestingly enough, I did make a pair of drumsticks in my high school shop class. I have no idea where they are. It'd be great if I can find them. Because as I mentioned, in high school I was in band. In fact, in preparing for this episode, I kind of perused my Facebook feed and found this old photo someone posted of me in the drum line. Back when I had hair, obviously. In fact, a few years back, several of my buddies from the drum line, we got together again at one of our hangouts back in the hometown here and kind of reminisced and whatnot. So yeah, fun days. But matter of fact, several of my bandmates, actually former bandmates from high school, are in bands now. One or two, I think, professionally. Anyway, a lot of fun. But the way this episode starts is I'm at the lathe. I practice, as I think I mentioned, with some ash in the beginning. And then I think where I start now, I finished practicing. I went ahead and chalked up some hickory and about to start turning. So with that, let's get into it. So yesterday, did a couple of dry runs, some practice runs. One with ash. And one with hickory. Got really close, I think, to what I want on that hickory one, but again, it kind of messed up in the centerpiece. So I got another blank in there I started working on. Let me keep working on that, and I think I might have some sticks for Kevin. All right, I like it. Of course, now the challenge is going to be making another one. Let's try to make another one. All right, that does it for today, this episode. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. That's very helpful. And of course, if you have any questions or comments about anything that you saw in this episode, put those in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer as quickly as possible. And of course, if you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications of future content. And that's it. Bye for now.